Hi, I'm Giovanna and I have chosen the Allday Goods Santoku knife from Sous Chef as my gift of choice. It comes in this really super cool box and if we just open it, there are some stickers, which are always a bonus. And here she is herself. This is an absolutely stunning knife. The handle is made from waste plastic from the restaurant and food industry. This is the fruit salad version in this beautiful yellow and pink colour, but it also comes in a lovely blue-green colour as well. It's made with forged steel and is incredibly beautifully made and sharp, perfect for chopping vegetables or really anything. It's a really great all-round knife and will make a perfect gift for the foodie in your life.
Look what I've got from Sous Chef. Oh, I'm so excited. I've got a knife buying addiction and I've been eyeing up this knife. Look at that beautiful handle. I love their gift selection. But if you're like me and all you need is a good knife, then slicing and chopping just becomes an ease, and I just want to do it all the time. A good knife will do all the jobs and I can never get enough of knives. Thank you so much, Sous Chef.
Hello, I'm Fuchsia Dunlop and I've chosen from Sous Chef this wonderful handmade stoneware fermenting crock. And the reason I've chosen it is that it's basically just like a Sichuanese pickle jar for making Sichuanese pickled vegetables or pao tai. And it has this water lip around the top, which acts as a kind of seal. And the best thing is that it comes with two little weights, because when I pickle vegetables, I'm normally fiddling around with stones and bags of water to try and keep them under the brine, but this has its own weights. And they also do a big white one as well, which you could ferment a whole head of cabbage in. So I think that'll be on my list too.
I've chosen the DeBuyer copper and stainless steel roasting tin from Sous Chef. And this is just such a high quality pan. And I feel like a good pan will last you a lifetime. So it's a really good gift to give someone that they will have for years and years and years to come. It's copper and it's stainless steel, so it's going to conduct heat really well. And it's going to hold the heat really well too. So your roasties are going to be amazing in here. I think it was Anthony Bourdain who once said that you should only own pans that if you hit yourself on the head with it, it would do more damage to your head than the pan. Now this is a sturdy, heavy pan, and I think it would definitely do some damage to my head. So I'm sure he'd approve of this as a present. I feel really great about this as a gift to myself for Christmas. Maybe you should buy one too.
Hi, I'm Jen and I picked the Chef's Press from Sous Chef. I've been a chef for over 25 years now, and I think this is one of the most useful and versatile pieces of equipment in my kitchen. I use it in the pan to get the perfect sear. I use it when I'm pickling, brining or fermenting to weight things down. It is dishwasher safe. It is so hard wearing, it'll last you a lifetime. You can stack them together to get the perfect weight that you need, and I think it is the best choice for any enthusiastic cook.
Hi, I'm Sam Cooper, also known as Chef Sam Black, and I wanted to share with you three actually of my favourite Sous Chef products. The first is the vinaigrier, which is the most fantastic way of making like really authentic vinegar. I also wanted to share this as an absolute lifesaver for me. Like the amount of my recipes as I'm working in the kitchen that start off in one of these chef's notebooks, they're waterproof and greaseproof, and it's brilliant. It's a lifesaver if you're a little bit messy. And also, Sous Chef is what I use to track down anything I can't find in my local shops. So yeah, this is a Korean chili or gochugaru. Yeah.
I got the Teakhaus cutting board from Sous Chef. As someone who does a lot of chopping, I want a cutting board that'll be gentle to my knives and keep them sharp. This cutting board ticks that box.
I've chosen the DeBuyer Prima Matera copper saucepan from Sous Chef, and not only is it absolutely beautiful, but it's a dream to cook with. So it's got a gorgeous kind of heft and weight to it, but it's not too heavy. It's really easy to maneuver. It goes in the oven. It's induction hob compatible, which is amazing. And the copper is really, really good at conducting the heat very evenly and very efficiently. So you get loads of control, which makes it great for things like caramels. I've used it for ice cream and sauces so far. It's already been really well used. And yeah, it's going to last a lifetime, so highly recommend.
Hi, my name is Xien, and in my 2024 Christmas gift guide, I would recommend getting one of your foodie friends this lovely Japanese knife from Sous Chef. It's a Santoku knife and it is perfect for their free uses of prepping your meat, your veg and your fish. And it's just the perfect everyday knife. Honestly, super lightweight, really easy to handle and use, and also very beautiful.
I've chosen this Gestura spoon from Sous Chef as my Christmas gift list item. It's something I've been eyeing up for a while actually, and it's surpassed my expectations as a beautiful, timelessly designed item. There's also a genuinely useful kitchen utensil. 3 reasons why. First of all, this is an actual tablespoon, so really good for quick, spontaneous measurements when you're making dressings or anything else you need that measurement for. Secondly, it's got this lovely tip to it, which makes drizzling those dressings really easy and good to be precise sometimes, I guess. And the third reason is that it's got a great profile, which makes it excellent for basting things when you're cooking them. For example, fried eggs.